Well, today I'm going to work on strengthening up this bed. And the way I'm going to do it is with these aluminum tubing bar stock that I bought. Found some end caps, and I'm just going to bolt it in underneath here, and that should really strengthen it up. And then after that, we're going to work on these walls, see if we can get those done too. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. See how this thing's flexing here under my weight. The reason I use a clamp is because I've had things spin around on the drill press before, so not good to get whacked with a piece of pipe. Quarter 20 hex nuts. Okay, so I got the first holes drilled. I'm going to put a washer, a lock washer, and the quarter 20 nut on this, and hold it very well. I measured in from the edge and I marked it, so I know where to make the holes. I think I'm going to tighten this one down first. Solid now. Yep. We're golden. Well, I think it's pretty good. What do you think?
It's a tall step.
Works good now, boy.
Boy, that's pretty solid.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah, there's no bend.
Yep. Wow. This worked.
I think we're good.
Yep. Should we show them what it looks like with it open?
Sure.
Okay, I'll go this way, you go that way. Well, there it is. We got 4 bars on there. It's a little heavier, but I think it's good. So, hey, this is Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans. Thanks for watching. Appreciate if you'd hit the subscribe button down below. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.